Getting life insurance is an important step toward protecting your family's future. But handling insurance payments can sometimes be tedious. That's where BIMA ASBA, insurance application supported by blocked amount, comes in. BIMA ASBA is a payment option where the premium amount is blocked in your bank account via UPI's one-time mandate (OTM) at the time of application for a new life insurance policy. The amount is debited only after your proposal is approved by the company and your policy is ready to be issued. If the application is not processed within 14 days or the proposal is rejected, the blocked amount will be released. This ensures that the funds remain in the policyholder's bank account. In case you wish to cancel your application before the policy decision, you can submit a cancellation request to the company. The company will then unblock the BIMA ASBA mandate. Let's understand the 5 key benefits of BIMA ASBA. No upfront payment. Your premium stays in your bank account until the policy is approved. Secure process. Funds are blocked only after your verification through UPI application. No need for refund. In case your policy proposal is not accepted, there's no hassle of waiting for a refund because the money was never debited. Block will be released by the company. Transparent and customer-friendly. You have full control for approving the fund block request in your UPI application. Further, you will be provided information at every stage of BIMA ASBA, that is, fund block, debit or release of funds. Simple to use, can be easily done through your UPI app by approving the transaction. Now, let's go through the simple steps to select BIMA ASBA as a payment option. Step 1. Once you are on the payment page, you will have BIMA ASBA as an option. Click on the BIMA ASBA icon and enter UPI handle for blocking of funds and click on Pay Now. Other details like premium amount, period of block are auto-filled on the page. Step 2. After clicking on Pay Now, you need to approve the block request in your UPI app. Also, you will receive a notification to approve the transaction from your UPI app, on which you can click and approve the transaction. The transaction has to be approved within 3 minutes, else the same will expire. Once the transaction is approved, you will get directed to this screen and will receive an acknowledgement communication from your bank on successful blocking of funds. BIMA ASBA is a smarter, safer and digital way of managing your life insurance payments. Opt for it now.